Hi everybody, today we are doing a makeup tutorial again, but I bet this will be better than last time. I don't think it's going to be bad, it's going to be better. First I'm trying out with eyeshadow again. Today I am going to do the cracker mix with rosebud and some... This is kind of like powder one. I'm going to get all the beautiful colors on my brush. These colors are so pretty. Wait until you see my eyes. Oop, oop. I'm getting all of them. Ooh, that's a dark color on the brush. Number 3. Okay. Ooh, it's got right here. Glitter. Ooh, sparkles. Pretty. That's nice, actually. That's pretty nice. I'm gonna get this. Put that here. Ooh, blush. Blushy, wishy, wash. I'm gonna only get these 2 colors. Every time I get these 2 colors, it's better. But that ain't good, so it looks nice. Woo! That fell. I'm gonna grab that thing. Go away, you dog. Go. Gotcha. I got it. Oh, so close. So close. Ah! Get way up here. That's a lot of pink. I gotta do better. Get more. Over that whole cheek. Oh. So much blush. You can barely see that. Oh, look how much blush that is. That is so much blush. Get blush. Blush. Get all the blush. Blush is amazing. Blush. I love blush. Oh. It looks like that. I'm a carrot. I'm a carrot right now. Don't worry, it will come up better soon. I look like a carrot. I'm a carrot. I'm gonna kind of make myself a bunny. I'm gonna look like a bunny. So I'm gonna have to put stuff over my nose. I'm gonna be looking like a bunny today. Get my eyes all pretty. Ooh, bunnies kind of have black. I really hope they have a good face. I haven't seen a bunny in a long time. I'm gonna try and make this good. Bunnies have fur. Oh yeah, bunnies have fur. Give them white stuff. Wait. Get that white. Love white. Woo. On my nose. Get that on my nose. Okay, I think I'll need this stuff for white. Ooh, that looks like blush. A little bit like blush. I think it is a blush. Just use it, I guess. Wait. Never mind, I think it just moves it. I think I can do it. I think I got it. Okay. Bunny's kind of lipstick. I'm gonna make a girl pretty bunny from... I'm kind of doing a girl bunny. I think it will kind of... I don't know how it will come up. Will it come up will it be Alice in Wonderland? I think it's Alice in Wonderland. Oh. That's pretty, I think. Look, like, you people could see it, I think it would be amazing. Bunnies kind of have the pink and purple gray glitter on them. Glitter on your eyes. Okay, we came out a little bit too far. Here. That off. Wait, that down here. See? Oh, that looks nice. This is gonna come out like a great bunny. I hope it's gonna come out like a great bunny. Get more glitter. Same thing, I guess. Ooh, a little bit more better. Looks nice. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, I know what to do. I'm gonna have to do this. I'm gonna use the bottom by accident. Oh, I can't believe I'm using the bottom of this thing to get the stuff. Oh, uh-oh. Gotta need some. Oh, I can get this to it. Oh, perfect. That kind of looks nice. I'm gonna do that again. I think it was this color, that, this, that, and that. I think that was it. I think it was correct. Oh yeah, it was correct. Perfect. Exactly the same, so nice. Ooh, that's coming out pretty good. Now, let's see here. I think I'll have to vote for it. I'll have to do it. I have to do it for life. Gotta do it. I gotta do more blush. Uh-oh. That is a lot of blush. Oh, I gotta do so much blush. Since I gotta look like a rabbit. Oh no. I'm gonna have to wash this off soon. Dad, I'm making myself like a bunny. I'm gonna make myself a bunny. What? That is so much blush. That's red and pink blush. I'm gonna have to use my hand for this. Ooh, oh. Glitter. Get some more blush. That's coming out like the white rabbit. I knew it would start to come out that way. Don't worry, it won't look like the white rabbit when it's done. It will look like a girl rabbit. And girl rabbits look really nice. Promise it will look amazing. I'm just not ready for this one yet. Rabbits have fur. Okay, get some white, more white, more white, more white, more white. I need some here and there. More white. That looks nice. White. I need so much white. I need white. White everywhere. Like a monster. I've been watching my shows for 100 weeks. Almost ready. Oh, so close. I'm so close. So close of being a rabbit. Oh my god. I am so close. I just kind of gotta get some straight lines up here. Ooh, nice. Gotta get some more white. White. I need white. Give me all the white you have. Magical stuff. Whew. Blend that white in so you can really see that. I'm coming up like a rabbit. I gotta blend that in. Blend. I'm like blood. I'm living 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 like blood. That's kind of fun. Ooh. That looks nice. Ooh. Bunny rabbit. I'm a rabbit. I'm a rabbit. I'm looking like rabbit. I'm a 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 rabbit. Rabbit. I'm a 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 rabbit. Rabbit. I gotta need a lot of white from this, Dad. Oh, so close. I'm so close. So close. I'm so close. I'm freaking out. I just gotta get down here in this area. Then I'm ready. I'm ready for my life. And if I don't do this show, I'm grounded. I'm grounded for life. I gotta do this. Wait. I'm not everywhere. So much glitter. Gotta get glitter. Glitter! I'm yelling glitter. Need some pink. I need some dots there. Get it there. Gotta do it. Ooh, I gotta look like a bunny. Bunny! Bunny blush. Bunny blush. Blush, blush, blush. Oh. The blush. I get so much blush. I love the blush. Wait. I've been taken out. I'm almost done. My makeup polish is running out. Okay, I'm almost done. Dark. It looks nice. Really good. Oh, woo! So close. Butter wrap. Now let's see. Oh, I gotta add more white. More white. Yay. I love the white. I'm sorry, I gotta need so much white by accident. No, I'm gonna need the white. So much white. So much white. For my love of God. Why is there so much white? Why is there so much white I got in the news? My God, why do bunnies have so much fur? So much fur on their face, really? Blend. Not so much. I gotta take a bath after this thing. I'm freaking out. Oh, why does it pop out every time? It's sticky. Eyesies. Well, oh no. I'm freaking out. Bye everybody. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Make sure that you watch and subscribe. I gotta go take a bath.